This is our fitness center. It is 24 hours. We will give you a code to get in through our back door. We've got 2 large TVs, and we've got a virtual bike. We've got the free weights. Tons of equipment to choose from in here. This is our virtual bike that we have. You can go ride a bike anywhere in the world. This is our tanning room. We've got a tanning bed for our residents to use for free. It's actually a level 2 tanning bed. It's got a facial tanner on there. You really only need to go for up to 15 minutes. It's a Sundash bed. Very good brand. In here we've got a little wall unit. So if it's hot or cold, you can just turn that on however you'd like. Got everything in here you need, the towel, mirror. There's Starbucks machines available at 6 a.m. for residents to use. There's coffee and hot cocoa. And then you have all your different kinds of syrups you can put in there. We've also got tea. And then we've got a Paradise machine. And on Fridays there's happy hour from 4 to 6. You can mix your favorite room. This is our billiards room. This is available for residents to rent for free. And here you'll have the kitchen with the Starbucks and Paradise. Got the pool table. You can have little parties in here if you'd like. Got the TV.
This is our movie section. We have over 300 movies here.